cool.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
I want to take my normal pictures and ready to take off. Hey, what's up, y'all? So we made it to the room. I'm in Orlando. So I'm gonna be in Orlando for Friday night and Saturday night, and then Sunday we will be sailing out on the cruise ship. I am so tired, y'all. I didn't go to bed last night until it was like almost 2 in the morning, and I had to wake up at 4 because our flight departed at 6:45, but it started boarding at 6:15. And y'all, my mama lost the boarding passes, so I'm so tired that my eyes are watering. So yeah, I'll be checking in with you guys. My braids turned out pretty cute, not too bad for me doing them myself, but anyways, talk to you guys later. Hey YouTube family, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing alright. So I'm back. I just got through eating that Fridays. We're in Orlando! Woo! We're walking off this food. I'm fat and full. Y'all know how we do. So we're getting ready to cross this busy street. I'm about to get my feet done. Yeah, you want to say hi to the family? Say hi.
On YouTube. I would love to follow you.
Yeah, girl, come follow us. Hey y'all, so I'm back at the room. Getting ready to go to my room. This is what my nails look like. And my feet. They did a good job, y'all. So, let's go back in the room and relax. I'm thinking I should do a tour of the room. So if y'all want to see a tour of the room, then go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up so I'll know to do the tour of the room. This is my breakfast this morning. I'm having a sausage biscuit and some coffee. I'm with my mom and she's having, what you having, Mom?
I had a little pancake and sausage.
A little pancake and sausage, and we got the coffee for free. Actually, everything is free.
Yes.
Yummy. And then my Aunt Terry over there is having biscuits and sausage and coffee too.
Coffee with cinnamon in it.
Yeah, she said she's going to be a little experimental today. So we're having fun so far. We're still in Florida. We're in Orlando. Slept good. The bed's comfy. I know that is a good part because we thought it was going to... My oldest aunt, she paid, what'd she say, $15 for her breakfast?
She paid $15 for breakfast. I can't wait to tell her.
Yeah.
Rub it all in her face. We got friends. The early bird did not get the one.
My mom's funny, so yep. Y'all look, I put purple in my hair. I don't know if I showed y'all that or not. Isn't that nice? So I'm so excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, that's when we ship out. Sail out. It'll be sail out, not ship out.
Right there.
But
Yeah, going like that.
anyway.
Let's go mess with it.
I got my girl Wonder Woman. That's nice. We're in the Florida Mall. Is she cool? I need to take my picture. Y'all, look at the mag. Hey. Look at that. Who you talking to? Y'all, my bags is bad. Y'all got me some diamond water. Lush.
I'm listening. What you say? Yeah.
Your secrets. Yeah, look. Hi, Vivica. It's your mom. Look at this cute little stuff they have. Look with the LOL. This is shampoo, 3-in-1 shampoo and conditioner and body wash. They have.
That's probably what you're telling me. You didn't put it in the bag.
Wait, let me get the unicorns at top.
Oh yeah, they got unicorns on top. They got unicorn bags over here.
Whatever they are.
They got headbands with LOL. Unicorn headbands. Look at this one. This is your favorite LOL doll, right? What's her name? Baby Cakes, I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. But this is your favorite. And look. Oh, and they got watches. They got bows. Backpacks. Oh, this is so cute. Look.
What is that?
This is a line of lanyard.
Lanyard.
Pins. They got a art kit. They got all kind of good stuff for you. We gotta bring you back, Vivica, when we get a chance, I guess.
I have all this side. I have this multiple eggs here. All this multiple.
Cool. They got all this kind of slime at the mall, baby. Got unicorn slime.
Hello. What's up, YouTube fam? Look over here, we got a closet with some hangers, a safe, got an ironing board. And then we keep on and we turn to our right. We have a bathroom. Hello everyone. We also have a microwave, a refrigerator, a coffee machine with like the tea and stuff in there, and like the coffee mugs. And then it's just a standard shower with a tub and all that good stuff. Y'all, I don't know, this is like one of my favorite parts about staying in hotels. I like to collect the little mini shampoos and conditioners, right? And this big old full-size mirror. Hello everyone. Hi. All right, we got 2 beds, very comfy. Between the beds we got a nightstand, and this lamp is beautiful. I like this lamp a lot, very nice. And it's cool how they have the little charging things for your phone on the lamp and on the clocks. Lots of things, lots of places to charge your phone. There's the TV. Very cute. I like this art piece for some reason. I think that's really neat. I like that a lot. And then it has all the little charging things right here too. So you got a little desk. We've been shopping. A little desk. A little chair that I fell asleep in last night watching Lifetime movies on my MacBook. And then this is the view outside. Isn't it pretty? And if you look over here, let me see. You can't really see it from here. Let me see if I can zoom in some. Way over there. You can't really see, but way over there is a shopping center that we walked to yesterday. It was 2 miles away. And we walked. It was cool. And that's where I got my nails done and my toes. So yeah, that's the room that we're in for 2 nights. Cool, right? Yes.